Okay, here's the Jupiter 6. One voice board has my replacement CPU in it, running on a debugger. Another one has the original CPU, and they've been running off the original main CPU. And I've got my oscilloscope probes hooked up to the filter cut-offs on a voice on each of the two voice boards. And this is just so I can go through the envelope shapes and check that they match up. So the blue curve that's on the screen here is the my voice board, and the red curve is the original Roland voice board. And I can play notes here. You'll see sometimes sometimes my voice board triggers a little bit sooner than the other voice boards, just because it's faster. But you can see that it's the same shape. And if you look at the screen here, you'll see that this is the debugger for the voice board software, and at the moment it's reporting to me what values are being entered on the front panel pots. So I can play a note here, and then I can increase the decay carefully so that it goes to decay of 1. You'll see that the envelope is exactly the same shape. 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've gone to great lengths to make these curves follow exactly the same set of values, almost as the original software. The original envelopes are a funny shape. They're a hybrid exponential / linear decay. So they look sort of like a normal RC envelope curve at the shorter values, but as they get longer, the curve starts to flatten out. It's quite a simple formula, really. Once you worked it out, it's half a second per division, and you'll see that my envelopes here's 127, the maximum setting. You can't see the red trace because it's hidden behind the blue trace. In fact, the Roland envelopes have a slightly linearized sectional look to them. Mine are purely curved, but the maximum difference is a fraction of a percent. One thing I haven't got right that I'm just about to fix is that if you change the sustain value whilst the envelope is going, my envelope is not increasing at the same rate, or it's not slowing the change according to the decay time. So I need to check what that is in the code. But basically, the envelopes are indistinguishable from the original. It has a linear attack as well, the Jupiter 6, which is kind of interesting. Well, my attacks will be going a little bit high there. I need to check that.